Deepak P.S. Vinay Mallikarjun. I am presenting a project called University Management System. Guided by Kavana and coordinated by Sudhamakar and Vinay. And next, these are the contents of my project. Introduction about the project, problem statement, methodology, tools and technologies, result of the project, future direction, and summary. And next, I am explaining the introduction of this project. The University Management System is a web-based application designed to streamline and automate the administrative functions in a university. And next, it ensures that each user, like a student, it manages the information of student, faculties, department, and parents. And next one is about the project. This project is web-based university management system. It maintains the features going on our college. And next, with using Fast API and MySQL. Fast API is a high performance Python framework, and MySQL are used to handling large set of structured data in database system. And next, we implemented role-based secure user access. It ensures that each user, whether an admin, faculty, student, to see and interact with future relevant to their roles. And next is dashboard for each user type. Each user gets their own dashboard that gives useful information for them. And next one is, and lastly, we also implemented dynamic templates. It allows smooth navigations and enhance the user experience. And next will be continued by Deepak here.
Myself, Deepak here. I am going to explain the problem statement of our project. As we all know that our project is to manage the university database management system. If we use the manual university operation, which it will cause us insufficient data handling and traditional, and there is a lack of centralized access and secure access. There also a communication gap between the stakeholders, and to overcome all of these problems, we need to implement automated system. Next, I am going to explain the methodology. Firstly, user login or sign up. When the user will log in to the website, the website will identify the role of the user and redirect to respective dashboards. If the user is a student, it will redirect to student dashboard. If it is, next will be continued by Mallikarjun.
Tools and technology, components and tools and libraries. The programming language like Python, we use Python because they are using backend, and software components they are Coder, and hardware components like laptop and database with MySQL. Methodology.
This is our university webpage. Then first is login our username and password. It was stored in our DB, and after login, it validates that login. If the login is entered, it moves for the dashboard. If the username is faculty, it shows the faculty dashboard. Next, if the username is student, it shows the student details. For the next, for example, if username is department, it shows the department. Future directory, we added these creations features for our university management system, which makes it finite and which makes more impressive. Enables the marks entry and editing. It is for the faculty. Faculty has the ability to change their marks, and they has the edit option. Tracks and shows the student attendance record. Faculty can has the ability to track their if the student is present or absent, or if the student the class no class, then generate the results from the marks and results there. Summary: University management system is a web-based application which is used for the students, faculties, and department. First, we will log in the login page, and after login page, we can get three interfaces. That is, if the faculty logins the page, it opens the faculty page. If the student logins the page, it opens the student page. If department logins the page, it opens the department page. After the login page, we can manage the profiles of students, attendance, and records of the results and academic marks of the student. Next, we can track the faculty's attendance. Faculty can track the attendance and marks of the student. Next, parents can see the student records, that is attendance and marks